let nature heal you. You see these beautiful flowers here? This is a weekend my school, and I just decided to come out and take a walk and just be in the nature, you know. Sometimes it's good to just allow yourself to be in the nature. It brings you back to the moment, and you will see the beauty even at the most simple things. It brings us back to our heart. It makes us slow down because nature speaks a language that just calm us down, make us think slower, act slower. So, if you think you need some break from life, you need to relax, just go to a place, maybe a park that near your house, or anywhere that have flowers, that have trees, and just be there, and you'll find how powerful nature is when it comes to bring us peace.